Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, fellow city planners. Building a thriving metropolis in City Skylines 2 isn't just about beautiful layouts, it's also about smart financial management. Your primary income streams come from taxes collected across your residential, commercial, and industrial zones. But don't forget, you'll also have significant expenses providing essential services. The real challenge is balancing these two sides of the ledger to ensure a prosperous future for your city. In the early stages, profitability hinges on efficiency. Provide only the essential services your citizens need, such as water, electricity, and basic sewage, without immediately upgrading everything. Zone low-density residential and commercial areas first. They offer a stable tax base without demanding too much infrastructure. Remember, every service costs money, so don't build that fancy park until you can truly afford it and see a return on your investment. As your city expands, industrial zones become major profit centers. Consider specializing your industries, perhaps focusing on forestry or farming if your map has the right resources. These specialized goods often fetch higher prices and reduce your reliance on imports. A key strategy is exporting surplus products. Once your industries produce more than your commercial zones can use, exporting the excess through outside connections will bring in significant and consistent cash flow. For more advanced profit, look beyond basic industries. Office zones, while needing educated workers, provide a high-value, low-pollution income source perfect for dense urban areas. Tourism also presents a fantastic opportunity. Attracting visitors with unique landmarks, parks, and entertainment venues can inject significant money into your economy. Happy tourists spend generously, boosting your commercial revenues and creating a vibrant, profitable city center. To ensure long-term profitability, consistent budget management is crucial. Regularly review your service budgets. You might find areas where you can reduce funding slightly without impacting efficiency. While increasing taxes can boost income, do so incrementally, always monitoring your citizens' happiness. Lastly, wisely invest in infrastructure that facilitates future economic expansion, like new cargo hubs or public transport, setting your city up for continued success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.